Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Lili Suli Artana Baban. I am from Universitas Sumatera Utara. Now, I would like to present about my article. The title of my article is A Conversation Analysis on the Interview Between Hillary Clinton and Ellen DeGeneres. There are some reasons why the researcher chose this topic. The first one is interview between Ellen DeGeneres and Hillary Clinton. Based on the preliminary data that the aspect of conversational interaction of the conversation might be found, would like to know whether the aspect of conversational interaction are bound, would like to know the aspect of conversational interaction that exists in the context of the conversation between Hillary Clinton and Ellen. There are some phenomenon here, analyzing the utterance between Ellen and Hillary Clinton to find out the aspect of conversational interaction. Conversation analysis is one tool to analyze every sentence in ways to find out the conversation sequence and structures is used. According to Peltridge, he said that conversation analysis has the sequence and structures. Those sequences are opening conversation, closing conversation, turn taking, and adjacency pairs, repairs, and feedback. The problems of the research: what aspect of conversational interactions are used in the interview between Ellen and Hillary Clinton? Second, how are those aspects of conversational interactions realized in the interview between Ellen and Hillary Clinton? And then the objectives of the research to find out what aspect of conversational interactions are used in the interview between Ellen and Hillary Clinton. The second, to analyze how those aspects of conversational interaction are realized in the interview between Ellen DeGeneres and Hillary Clinton. Okay, we move to the conversation analysis. According to Peltridge, he says that conversation analysis, ordinary conversation, is the most basic form of talk and the main way in which people come together, exchange information, and maintain social relations. Most of the time, conversation consists of two or more participants taking turns. The aspect of conversational interaction by Peltridge in 2012, the first one is opening conversation. The opening conversation delivers for starting the conversation between two or more people in chatting, and then the second, closing conversation. The closing of the conversation presents the end of the conversation. And taking the conversation analysis has also examined how people take and manage turn in spoken interaction. Adjacency pairs divide utterance types into first pair parts and second pair parts to form a pair type. And then repairs refers to the processes available to speakers through which they can deal with the problems which arise in talk. Feedback is the way in which listeners show they are attending to what is being said. And then there are some relevant studies here. The first one is Nadia. This research is a conversation analysis study with focus on the analysis of repair as reflected in the talk show. And then the second Alphard discuss on turn-taking system and turn-taking strategy. And then Chixia Tang conducted a research entitled Self-repair devices in classroom monologue. The researcher developed a theory from Choi, who worked at the same press, for example, in repair in classroom discourse. Okay, we move to the method of the research. The research design. This article is used qualitative descriptive method. The utterances of the interviews during the conversation with the interviewer are transcribed and analyzed in order to classify the utterances as their function, data, and source of data. The data of this research are the utterances of the interview between the host and the guest. They are Ellen DeGeneres and Hillary Clinton. Source of data, there are two persons. They are the host, Ellen, and the guest is Hillary Clinton. Their conversation will be transcribed into written text. From written text, the conversation is from YouTube with English subtitle, which is published on 6 January 2020, and the duration of the conversation is 19 minutes and 11 seconds. Okay, we move to the techniques of data collection. Technique of data collection, the first one is downloading the data of the interview between Hillary Clinton and Ellen DeGeneres in Ellen Talk Show channel from YouTube. Listening and transcribing the data interview into a written form. Reading the utterance of the conversation carefully. Select the transcript which based on the conversation sequence and structures. Find out the data based on conversation sequence and structure of the utterances. Then here are the techniques of data analysis according to the pattern. Same with I said before. And then we move to findings, analysis, and discussion. The researcher found some aspects of conversational interaction in this conversation. Those are, there are one opening conversation, and then 8 adjacency pairs, 3 preference organization, and then 66 turn taking, and then 15 feedback, 14 reveal, and 1 closing conversation. The most widely available in this research is turn taking, and the least is the opening and closing conversation. Here are some examples. Here is one of the example. The first one is Ellen. Yeah, I hope this is going to be the biggest photo turnout ever. I mean, this is the most important. From the excerpt above, it can be seen that Ellen expresses or makes a statement by using self-refer. It indicated by the words I mean. It means that Ellen realized that the words she said before was still unclear. Thus, Ellen repaired the words by herself. Therefore, self-repair is used by Ellen as the interviewer or the host. Here is the analysis of agency pairs. There are 4 kinds of agency pairs. The first one is greeting, assessment agreement, question answer, blame and denial. This one is, for example, greeting. Greeting is in agency pairs is hi Hillary, hi Ellen. This one we call greeting. And then question answer, like people usually make a conversation. It must be there are some question in that conversation and also some answer from the interviewer or interviewee. And then turn taking, there are 34 turn taking used by Ellen and 32 turn taking used by Hillary Clinton. There, it means that 66 turn taking used in this conversation. Okay, now we move to the feedback. Feedback is the ways of the speakers provide each other with feedback. That is the way in which listeners show they are attending to what is being said. This can be done, for example, by the use of response tokens such yeah, and okay, by paraphrasing what the other person has just said, or through body position and the use of eye contact. There are some examples of feedback in this conversation analysis. For example, yeah, Ellen said, yeah, we didn't get to do it. Yeah, because I would like to do the show in the White House. Okay, that are we call feedbacks. Okay, and then opening and closing conversation. Opening conversation. Hi Hillary. Hi Hillary. It can be seen that Ellen opened the program by using opening conversation expression. Hi, as we know, hi is one of the expression of opening conversation uh, with someone who will make a communication with us. Okay, therefore opening conversation is used by the speaker. And then closing, Ellen say, I thank you for everything that you do, everything that you have done for women. As you say, human rights are women's rights, women's rights are human rights. Thank you for that. That's about closing conversation used by Ellen to close the conversation of their conversation. Okay, we move to the conclusion and suggest conclusion. After analyzing the data, the researcher concludes that the interviewer used all of the aspects of conversational interaction in giving and responding the questions to interviewees, while interviewees Hillary Clinton used adjacency pairs, preference organization, turn taking, feedback, and report. Therefore, 5 of 7 aspects of conversational interaction in conversation are used. Those aspects of conversational interaction are realized in the conversation with different characteristics. Opening and closing conversation are not used by the interviewer. It did not used by the interviewees because those aspects are used by the host of the program in order to open and close the program. Okay, that's all about my presentation. Thank you for the time and see you. Bye-bye.